It's grilling time. Today we're going to take a look at this PatioGem outdoor griddle accessory kit. I'm going to show you what all comes inside and go over a little bit of each utensil. If you guys have a griddle or outdoor grill, this might be what you're looking for. Let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this griddle accessory kit from PatioGem. We'll start by unboxing here. We'll go through everything that's included. Here's how it looks when you open up your box. You're going to have everything that you need to start grilling. Alright, first up inside of your griddle accessory kit, you're going to have a scrubbing brush with a nice plastic handle on it. This brush is approximately 1 inch thick and is not too abrasive that it's going to wreck any of your surfaces, but enough that it's going to do a good job cleaning. You're also going to get 2 egg holders with little handles on them. These egg holders are perfect for placing on top of your griddle, cracking your egg inside, and it'll keep everything nice and uniform. Your egg yolks and whites won't be spread out all over the place. So this is a really handy item when you're cooking your eggs and are looking for that perfect round egg. You're also going to receive this nice tong, which has a locking end on it to keep it together when not in use. To use it, just squeeze it and then you push this in and then unlocks your tongs. These tongs are made with a real nice heat resistant rubber material end for a good support. You're going to receive a salt and pepper shaker, which everybody knows that you need when you're grilling out. You need to be able to season up your foods. And these salt and pepper shakers can be quickly refilled just by removing the bottoms off of them, filling them up, and placing the bottoms back on, and you're ready for use. They come with a nice little plastic cover so nothing leaks out when they're not being used. You're going to receive this baking brush. Nice soft ends. This is BPA-free silicone and 100% safe to use. You can use this for basting any of your chicken, marinating, using any of your special sauces when you're outdoors cooking. You're going to receive this fork with a nice sharp tail, strong enough and sharp enough to fork any of your meats. Comes with a nice plastic handle on it and a little hole inside for hanging up. You're going to receive this fish turner. It's not only solid but also thin and flexible, so you can get under any delicate fish or other meats that you're going to be cooking. This is a really handy item. This is a 12-inch basting cover. This will reduce the cooking time. Simply place the lid over the top of your foods and it'll reduce your cooking time up to a few minutes. It's nice stainless steel look finish on it and a nice plastic handle. You're going to receive this nice chopper. It has a little tape measure at the bottom, 1 through 6 inches. It's perfect for chopping up your vegetables, herbs, or other spices. You're also going to receive this slant edge scraper. It's got a little beveled edge on the tip. It's perfect for cleaning up afterwards. It's also ideal for frying steaks and pancakes. The grip is perfect size and it feels comfortable in your hand. You're going to receive 2 200 milliliter bottles. Can be used for any of your seasonings. You want to put ketchup, mustard in them, you can do that as well. The caps easily remove. There is the measuring on the side of the bottle. And to use, you just pull off the top of the cap. And it has a perfect size hole inside to get just the right amount that you need. When you're finished, cap just pops back over the top, and we'll keep it sealed so if this does tip over, nothing will spill out of it. You're also going to receive 2 large spatulas, one with the draining holes in the side and one solid one. These spatulas are 8 inches in length and approximately 3 inches wide. And all of these utensils that are shown here today are food safe stainless steel, which is really nice. So you know that they're not going to corrode, rust, and start looking pretty rough after a couple uses. These are going to look just like new for many years to come. And last but not least, your griddle set's going to come with this handy storage bag. All your utensils that are shown here today will fit neatly inside this bag. You can take this bag with you with the 2 handy handles on it. Take it camping with you, take it out to the park when you go grilling, or it can be used just in your backyard. This 17-piece barbecue set is one of the most complete grill accessory sets on the market. These grill accessories are made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. The handles are made of a high-quality silicone, non-toxic and tasteless. This backyard grill set is the complete set for all your outdoor cooking. As you can see, pretty much everything that you need for your next outdoor grilling adventure, you can get here with this PatioGem grilling set. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.